Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to replace the distributor cap and the rotor on the Elan, naturally aspirated one. So, yeah, let's just get started with that one. So here we have the distributor cap with all of its leads connected to it. Now, I've already done this piece of homework, which is to just make sure that I have some way of tracing which lead goes where. So I've numbered my leads and I've got, as you can see here, little stickers, and they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the center lead, I'm not numbering that because it doesn't go in that direction, so I always know it goes that way. And I've numbered my distributor leads 1, 2, 3, 4, moving clockwise, starting from here. So once I take my distributor off and I put the new one in, I know which leads go where, and nothing goes off. Now, I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nothing to do with the cylinder's firing sequence or anything. I am just making sure that this lead goes back into this position on the distributor, because that is the important thing. To remove the distributor, there are two bolts, one here at the top and one and the very opposite side at the bottom. So I'm going to remove the one in the bottom first, which you can't see with the cameras, but tough luck. Okay, so removing the distributor now, the cap, and I'm just going to replace it with a brand new cap. And as you can see, it's not really a big piece of technology. Now, I've already fitted this and removed it from the car, so I'm just redoing the job to show it for the cameras. I have lost one of my bolts, so I'm going to reuse the bolt from the old distributor cap. So yeah, that's the new distributor cap. I have here the rotor, which I've cleaned it a little bit just to make sure that there's a better spark there. So cap goes back in. Making sure that it aligns with the holes there. This time I'm starting by tightening the bottom screw. And now, this is the power lead that comes from the opposite side, so we know that's always in the middle. And now, because I've numbered all of my leads, I know exactly where everything goes. So I just need to find number 1, 2, and 3 and whatever, and I know that number 1 starts in here. So I'm going to start with number 3 because it's the hardest one to get to. And that's it. That's how to replace the distributor cap. Very, very easy job. And yeah, it gets you better sparks at the end of the day. So that's it for this video, really. The distributor cap is in place. The next thing to do is the leads. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.